Hey, what's up, everybody? It's John with Home Buyer Louisiana. On this rainy day, I'm outside of this, walking into this duplex. Used to be duplex here in the St. Roch neighborhood in New Orleans. As you can see, it is currently pretty gutted, pretty bare. Got to wash my step a little bit here. Some of the floors aren't intact, but all in all, it's framed pretty well. Looks pretty nice. I think we're going to be able to help the seller out. We're just going to get measurements and do some of the stuff we've got to do. Figure out if we want to put it back together as a duplex, or if we want to try to do it as a single family, or what we want to do. But yeah, anyway, this is a classic case of a project the seller couldn't finish. He is looking to go and do something else, and we're happy to take over. We're going to try to get everything worked out and turn this one back into a neighborhood beauty that'll be able to house a couple people and have some families living in it. So yeah, if you've got a house like this or in any condition in South Louisiana, visit us at www.homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer, and yeah, we'll reach out to you, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks, and talk to you soon.